Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to assemble the Baggebo glass door cabinet from IKEA. For this build, you need a Phillips screwdriver and a level. If you want to speed up the assembly process, then you can use a drill with the Phillips bit. So the first step is to grab these two pieces and put them into this orientation. Just make sure that the hole that I pointed to is located in this corner. Also grab 4 adjustable feet. Then screw in the adjustable feet like this. Now put these two pieces into this orientation. Next, grab this piece and put it into this orientation. Just make sure that this hole that I pointed to is in this position. Then connect all 3 pieces like this. Now grab this piece, and again, make sure that this hole is in this position. Then connect this piece as shown. Next, grab any side piece and put it into this orientation. You'll notice that this end is longer than the other regarding the placement of the holes. Then put this side piece in like this. Now grab these 4 shelf pins and screw them into these 4 holes. Then grab 4 small plastic caps and pins. First insert the cap and then secure it with the pin. Do this step for these 4 holes. Next, flip the cabinet as shown. Then grab the other side piece and put it into this orientation. Again, make sure that this end is longer than the other regarding the placement of the holes. Then put this side piece in like this. Now grab 4 shelf pins and screw them into these 4 holes. Then grab 4 small plastic caps and pins. Insert them as shown into these 4 holes. Next, flip the cabinet like this. Now grab the backing and make sure that this hole that I pointed to is in this orientation. Then put the backing in as shown. Then again, grab 4 small plastic caps and pins. Insert them as shown into these 4 holes. Now place your cabinet against your intended wall. Then grab a level and check that it's level. If not, adjust the feet accordingly. Now you can secure the cabinet to the wall. Unfortunately, IKEA doesn't give you the proper wall hardware, so you're going to have to buy your own wall anchors and screws. I've done these next steps already in another video, so if you want to see how to secure this piece of furniture to the wall, I'll leave a link with a timestamp in the description below. Then grab the glass door and put it into this orientation. Just make sure that this hole that I pointed to is in this position. Also grab this screw and knob. Secure the knob with this screw like this. Now grab this metal pin and insert it as shown. Then grab the largest screw and attach the bottom end of the glass door like this. Then insert the largest screw into this hole and secure everything together as shown. Next, grab 2 glass shelves and place them onto these shelf pins like this. Then you can use some glass cleaner to get rid of any smudges from your fingers. Now check that the door opens and closes properly, but if you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. So you now have a fully assembled Baggebo glass door cabinet from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.